Imagine taking control of your future in network administration by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence every day. With the AI for Network Administrators course on complete AI training, you get straightforward, practical lessons that blend foundational concepts with real-world applications. This course is built for professionals ready to enhance productivity, tighten security, and increase earnings using smart automation and predictive analytics. Whether you're just starting or have years of experience, you'll discover easy-to-follow video tutorials, in-depth guides, and even AI audiobooks that fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. Each lesson is designed to show you how to automate routine network tasks, detect potential issues before they escalate, and generate detailed reports effortlessly. In addition, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This isn't just theory, it's practical knowledge that you can apply right away to stand out as the expert every company seeks. By mastering advanced AI techniques, your role becomes more secure while carving out new career paths in network management. Moreover, the course keeps evolving with fresh content and techniques updated every month, ensuring that you're always ahead of technological changes. Instead of letting technology pass you by, you become indispensable by embracing change and inspiring innovation. Transform your abilities, enhance your efficiency, and set the stage for superior career growth. Discover all the AI for Network Administrators training courses at CompleteAItraining.com.